Today we had an operator coming with a broken joystick for the boom and bucket. Seemed like it was just flopping around in neutral. Take it apart, come to find out, snap that little cap on top of this piston for the up-down valve. Instead of spending the money to replace the whole entire unit, because they're freaking expensive, I'm gonna clean it up, weld it. That's the joystick. See how it comes out. Alright, so I got it back together. You can see I welded it there. A bit of a tricky spot, so just did what I could do, but it's not going anywhere.